In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily navigate Dunham Sports website to access your account and review your orders. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open your web browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser. Just open it up and type in the URL for Dunham Sports, which is www.dunhamsports.com. Once you hit enter, you should be on the home page. Now, if you've never visited this site before or aren't quite sure where things are located, don't worry, I'll guide you through every step. Now that we're on the home page, let's move on to signing in. If you look towards the top right corner of the page, you'll see an option labeled Sign In, or sometimes it might just display an icon that looks like a person. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your email and the password you've set up for your Dunham Sports account. Making sure you're entering this information correctly is crucial, as you'll need it to gain access to all your account specifics and order history. Once you've successfully logged in, your next step is to navigate to My Account. Typically, once you log in, your account name or an icon representing your account will appear in the same top right area where you just clicked to sign in. Click on that and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu. From that menu, look for the option that says My Account and select it. Now that you're in the My Account section, let's find your orders. Inside this section, you should see various options related to your account settings. What we're interested in is going to be something along the lines of orders or order history. Click on this option and voila, you'll have access to your recent and past orders. This process is straightforward and designed to help you manage your orders, check their status, and more without any hassle. It's always a good practice to familiarize yourself with these steps, especially if you find yourself ordering from Dunham's frequently. And there you have it, a simple guide to accessing your Dunham Sports orders online. Remember, being logged into your account is vital to proceed. However, if you encounter any issues, consider checking your internet connection or perhaps refresh the page and try again. That's all for today's video. Now you know exactly how to access and manage your orders on Dunham Sports. Thank you for watching, and please stick around for future videos, where we'll explore more helpful tips and tricks for navigating online shopping environments with ease.